Where's the water?
I don't know.
Ala, tita.
So overpriced.
Dito. Dito, tita. Maghanap ka na. Nandun, banda, oh.
Excuse me, my darling.
Ano, tita? Maghanap tayo ng iba pa rin, tita.
Buy one, get one free.
Na, see all the Toblerone. It's 15 euro.
It's overpriced. Airport for food expensive.
Always.
Hello.
Hello. Always.
Oh, when are you?
Yan guys, oh. Masyado pang maaga, so wala pa kaming gate. Kaya eto, habang kami ay gumagana ang oras namin.
Duty free?
Taas tayo, tita.
It's upstairs. And at the other end.
Ay, hindi na, tito.
I can't go there. You can't go there.
We can go for elevator.
Elevator, Pamo.
Popeyes actually.
I wanna try Popeyes.
Because we never ever tried Popeyes.
Yeah, because it's America.
Popeyes biscuits because it's so good.
Wait, Alex, just
Them
first
first.
them first. Because they...
Buti akong dito ah. Yeah, may phone is waterfall. Ah, dito ang marami.
I wanna try Popeyes. Swatch. Swiss Swatch.
Dito kami mag-duty free, guys. Ayan, churches kami.
Turkey
Sa
euros or
Istanbul.
because I saw Turkey
Okay.
euros is also another currency.
Churches kami. Ariana, Kati said, Ella.
Look at how many American.
There's so many American restaurants here.
There's so many American.
Walang ibang Toblerone.
America.
Toblerone, tita, nandito
I'm
lang
eating it by myself. I'm gonna go buy something
Ayan,
to
tita,
eat.
oh. Ito, oh, maliliit. Ito, tita, oh. Mga, ayan, oh.
For 13 euros.
Tala,
Actually,
pure
14 euros.
What is the best? There or these two of these?
I don't know. All of them.
Doon, tinignan ko sa atin, 12.
12,
Oo.
13.90 yan, tita, oh.
Ay,
Hindi mas mahal.
Ano mas maganda agad yung big na yun o ito?
Oo.
Alang the best.
Pero,
Maliliit-liit daw ang gusto ng kapatid ko.
kung maliliit mga ganito, tita.
20 ang binigay niya sa akin. Hindi magdadagdag siya. Ano ba to? Ano lang masarap
Kung 20, ito na lang siya.
Magkano?
Pero, 24, ay, 25 na.
Oh, ito, ilang pieces?
Ilang
You can
pieces
find
na
it
pa
in the
yan.
supermarket for 5 euros.
Ang pamilya. 20 nga din.
I think. That's
Dalawa na siguro, patig isa nito. Ano?
Pwede naman. Pwede naman.
It is damn
Oo,
nice.
tita.
Ano lang masarap dyan?
that's milk.
That it's milk, tita.
Yes, and what?
After in crunchy almond after, tita.
Masarap yan?
At saka white din ito.
Hindi ko pa kasi ito.
At
Alin?
saka dark chocolate
wag dark.
yan. Ito, masarap
Oo,
yan.
dalawa
tita.
na.
O, ganyan.
Ako din. Ano bang ibang excuse ito? Ay, yun na.
Yan, ang mga
Sarap
lahat ay
naman,
Toblerone. Oh. May mga iba't ibang Toblerone. Ayan.
Ayan na sa Dunkin.
Dante.
Donkey.
Dante.
That's what you are.
Ay,
Yeah, I
daddy,
am.
daddy, daddy. Para lang.
Yeah, yeah. Donkey. We're gonna go on a more jumbo.
Darating yan doon. Totoo, ano na.
Daily milk na.
We're gonna go on an
Cadbury.
How much the dairy?
The Cadbury na dumi.
Magkano yan
13
agad?
euros.
Okay.
And that one is 8.50. This one's actually almost.
Give me my
Okay.
body, cause I need a phone.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
I need my phone.
No. Yes. I wanna go. No.
Ariana, ilan na this?
Oh, you want perfume? Perfume is not my thing. Neither is Ariana.
Ariana, yan na. Kanin.
Dali.
Yan ang gini. Oh.
Wala yan na.
Escena yun na Andrico po yun ito Andrico.
Nice yan.
Sí, pues de nice. After ito. You and sexy.
What?
After na ito timasi sexy.
No, no.
Ini.
Name. Name. Vision.
Ah!
Oh, I have bad.
Ah, real.
I wanna go in.
After na ito Kalo. Your phone I have. Okay. Dos son taquerias.
There's so much.
So much.
De no rea.
The smell is so strong actually.
Ela Ariana te canes paleto. Anyway. Where's Tita?